Welcome to our channel, Expat Living in the Philippines. We just pick up the mangoes that fall. Masamad kang kuan ka ng kuan. Masamad ka. Ako ra ana. Sama na nimo. Wala man na nimo kuan ni kana ang paniti ato na panitan. Ako ni panit ana ako record ka masamad ka. We pick up the mangoes that falls down this afternoon.
Yes.
But it is all the cracks here.
Wah!
See? Cracks.
Dili aslom.
Dili aslam. Dili aslam pero ang mong naong lagi na daot man. Dili aslam. Yeah, we get the wrap because it is wrapped individually, and then when we open it, this is what happened because it really falls down. This afternoon we have a heavy or a wind, big wind. Yeah, they have pick up. This is fall. This is what we have brought. Oh, dili daot. Tilawi. Ha?
Dili daot.
Kan ay kay nahulog man. Ayun nagtulo-tulo ka diha. Oh, may slide ka.
Pwede ang kaunan.
Oh, kung dili daot.
Ano eh?
Yeah.
Amin na.
Look at that.
Dili lang. Amin na. Yun.
It's really
Sige. Aslom din na.
this one here is like that. And this one here.
Effective pala ang drama. Iuwi ka ka.
Pia, kaan ka? Kani ba? Kani? Kani o ka na?
Para kay Dayan, yung bike niya.
Opo ba? Nakalimutan niya pala uminom kanina, kaya naman pala nahihilo eh.
That's the one. That's what happened to our mangoes. We don't know yet. It is not ready to harvest yet. But we will try to let this one.
Happy na to ni Mahino, pero taga.
Yung ginawa niya kay Camila. Ngayon, ginagawa naman niya kay Farah.
So, yeah. We don't know what's happening to our mango again this time because of the wind, very big wind.
Kung ano mang konteksto, arranged marriage man, o nagmamahalan, ang importante, tatuin ko kayo ng patas ang patay-patay.
Okay guys, I just video it so you will know what's happening on our mangoes there.
Sabihin na.
Ano? Yeah, it's a pity. Okay guys, that's all for tonight. Okay, hope you enjoyed our mangoes. It's big, but oh god, what's happening? But yeah, that's my granddaughter is eating the
Diningasay kay aslom, diningasay kay dili. Pag tinanong mo diningasay, away lami.
Ang tagal mo.
Kaya sila sinina.
Sorry ito pala
Or color.
Please subscribe our channel, like, share, and comments.
Hit that bell.
Yeah, what will you say?
Hit that bell for the notification for our next video.
Yeah, that's right.
Bye.
That's right. Bye. God bless. See you next time. Babu.
Wait, tapos na yan. Wala, no?
Tagal pa, oy. Bisag asa.